Hey guys, showing you this portable Bluetooth speaker. This is IPX7 waterproof wireless speakers with 80 watt loud hi-fi stereo sound. 20-hour playtime with a dynamic light, deep bass and dual pairing. So this is a 5.3 Bluetooth, so it should be a good range for the Bluetooth. So comes in a really nice packing, protective one. This is the speaker itself, really nice look. It's like a owl type of look here, looks like, and the handle is great. This is of plastic, and then in the back you can see all the ports. So two cables comes with it. One is the aux cable, so you can connect any audio device, or one is the USB-C charging cable or the data cable that you can use to charge and to use this. So it's the aux, USB and the USB-C charging. This is the manual, describes everything, all the process, and then how to use this. Pretty straightforward. So you can see this button. I will just start, long press this one and it gets started. Oh man, it's a really nice solid bass that I will show you a little later on. So the lightning effects are good. So I will just connect it to the Bluetooth. So instantly connected. So I will just play a copyright free speaker test video audio, so that you can listen and you can see all the the light effect. So they are totally different light effect. So you can just turn on and off the bass, you can see the difference. So so volume up button, just trying to see all this light, different light stuff. So I will just turn on the music on so that you can hear the quality of the speaker. So it's a nice sound quality, deep bass and a stereo sound. So quality is also good for these speakers.